Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I filmed some stuff on Friday. Where is it? I don't know. Lost to the void. Anyway, so sorry about it. Must have deleted it by accident. It's fine, because we kind of have to repeat some of the processes that I did on Friday anyway. Anyway, it's fine. Super wonderful, fantastic news is that, how did I even delete that? When did I delete that? It's as if I never filmed it. I wonder if I didn't press record. Back to the exciting news is that I had my art drop on Sunday and only one thing remains. So thank y'all so much for another successful drop. I literally, every drop, every piece of mine that sells, I'm just like, I can't believe it. I literally cannot believe it. So yeah, you're kind of funding my dreams here. You're funding the continuation of this ridiculousness, and I literally couldn't be more grateful. And it's wild. Every day that I get to come in this room and do all of this is wild. So we need to pack everything up. We need to pack these things, the rugs and the keyboard rugs, which is honestly going to be kind of difficult without my long table. I don't want to pull that out. Oh my god. I think I'm going to have to. We're going to have to, oh my god. Poor Bob has to get moved. Oh my gosh. I got a bunch of stuff too, and I really want to do this, but I know that we gotta do the rug thing first. I got a hole punch, and I bet you're like, okay. And I also got a whole bunch of rings, so maybe you know where I'm going. But I want to take all of the yarn swatches I've been collecting and put them on this ring. I think this is gonna be so fun and make it like a Pokemon thing. Like, I'm gonna catch them all, okay? Maybe not all, because that's a lot of yarn. But it's just gonna be so cool to like, what if we fill this ring? And I got a 12 pack of these. So we have a lot that we could fill up. So yeah, I want to put this together. We'll do this another time, but I'm excited. Oh my god. Okay, so first thing that needs to happen is I have to move my frame back, because it's pulled out a bit so that I can, during stream, I can like show the back sometimes. I'll never not say this, but it's so nice to have my frame on these foam mats, because it makes me able to like slide it around and not scratch the floor. I can't even get my hips back here. Bob, hello, how you doing? I gotta get behind you. Is that okay? He said yes. The table. Stupid. My magic trick. Get started. So I have my like plastic wrap, basically. Hello. And then we have a whole bunch of pre-stamped paper. Thank goodness. Let's get started. I'm rolling and also making sure everything is clean and perfect, ready to go. I think I'm gonna give them like one final vacuum. Look at this perfect little croissant. Ta-da! A beautiful rug burrito. Okay, so besides the frog in my throat that decided to say something just now, you probably didn't even hear it. Anyway, I have everything basically wrapped up, ready to go. I think tomorrow, because we are like a half hour away from stream starting. So I think tomorrow I'm going to do the final bits of packing up the packages. And then I'm going to buy the labels and schedule everything for pickup. So I thought we could do a little bit of this. I just want to see what it'll look like. Put them all together. Yeah, we'll line them all up so that they're all like at the same height. And then we'll hopefully be able to punch one hole through it. I don't know because it's already pretty thick. I don't know if this is going to work, but... This was dumb. But I wanted them to all be the same height. I suppose when I add new ones, it's not going to matter because it's going to be different. Whatever. So then I'm going to open this big giant ring. And then we're going to... Oh my god. Ta-da! Wow. This is cute. Genius idea. Whoever's idea this was, genius. Also, I've got something else to open up, and you're never gonna believe what it is. You're just never gonna believe your eyes. How could you possibly believe that I need another tripod? How do I need another tripod, you ask? I don't know. I do know. So we were talking on stream, or maybe in my, wow, this gets tall. We were talking somewhere about getting a like second camera during stream to have, you know, my regular camera with me and like looking at the front of the frame here, but then having another camera on the back of the frame at the same time. So it would be like a smaller clip like up in the top corner or something, so you guys could see both the front part of the tufting and the back like at the same time. And I feel like that's gonna be so cool. So since I don't really use my webcam right now, we were thinking of having that be the backside camera. And so that is what this tripod is for. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 if you count the retired one in the closet. 5 or 6 tripods. That's a lot. Hello. It is the next day. What did I want to update you on? Not a clue. So we are going to roll a bit of yarn. Can you see the sparklies in this? So the yarn is lavender, and then it's one of like the twinkle yarns that has little like fiber tinsel thing. It's got tinsel that runs through it, and it's like a bluey green. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna use this for the background of this, and I think it's gonna be stunning. Oh wait, did I introduce you? Introducing Baby Cakes, my yarn winder. Oh shit, I forgot I hooked it up already. Anyway, googly eye. Googly eyes on all of my tools. All right, the yarn is rolled. I think we're ready. I'm thinking we can totally get this done in one go. So I'm bringing you behind the frame. Bing! Wow! All right, the moon phase keyboard rug wrist bed has been finished. It is so cute. I love this lavender yarn with the sparklies in it. I do wish that I could have gotten the glow-in-the-dark yarn for the moon part, but listen, the little, I can't even call them skeins. They're like little dinky tinies for like $7. I'm just not about that. That's too I would need so many. Oh, also, this is our progress on the super mysterious rug that none of us know. What even is that? But I'm in love with the progress of it. And this is how the frame is looking currently. Just giving you all a little update. Probably going to finish Mysterious Rug on stream tomorrow. And then after that, we'll probably work through the rest of this. I got the most perfect noodle color. Look at this. It's the most perfect noodle color. And I can tell you exactly what color it is. Ask me and I can tell you. Okay. It's a Karen yarn in cream. I'm in love with this. But yeah, my collection grows. They should have called this noodle because it's noodle. And then paired with the color that I have for the broth, I suppose, is this like toasty color called mustard. And it's Big Twist. I love you, swatch ring. We're getting real close. I mean, there's quite a bit of work to do on Spooky Ramen, but we're getting close. Also, I mentioned this last week, but I want to mention it again because the channel is now live on our Discord. So we have the Artsy Madhouse exhibition. I don't know how to say that word. Exhibition. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's where once in a while we're going to come up with a prompt. This first one is spooky foods, and you have like a good amount of time to come up with whatever you want that fits the prompt in whatever art you do, like crochet, photography, interpretive dance, like whatever art style you do, as long as it fits the prompt, you can submit it. And then at the end of the due date, we are gonna go through everyone's submissions and just kind of like ooh and ah at them and be like, wow, amazing. It'll also be really cool to see how everybody kind of interprets the prompt. So yeah, if you'd like to join in on that, you can join the Discord, which I will have a link to down in the description. We're gonna end this video. Me and Bob are looking the same today. We're twinning. Oh, also, the drop has sold out. Can you even believe it? So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart and my soul and my entire person. Thank you very much. If you got something, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. If you're watching this video, if you come to the streams, if you look at my posts on Instagram, like, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. So yeah, I'm going to be working on sending these out for the rest of the week. My hair needs to stop going to my mouth. And yeah, I'm just super grateful. But I am going to end this video here. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman, besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all to absolute death. See you in the next video. Goodbye.